So in this tutorial, we learn how to set up Live Server and make your browser to auto refresh in the Visual Studio Code. So all you have to do is just install an extension called the Live Server, and the browser will automatically refresh to reflect those changes instantly. So come to the sidebar and click on the last icon for extensions and search Live Server. Click on the first result, so Live Server, and click the install, and our extension has been installed, so you can close it. So before running a code, you have to save it, but I can show you on how to automatically save your file. So click on the icon on the left bottom corner of the screen and click Settings, and here we can search Autosave. So by default, it's always off, so you can change it to after delay. So you have to save the autosave delay. So it's always saved 1000 milliseconds. You can change it to 60 milliseconds. That. So with those settings, so you don't have to keep holding the Control key and S key to save the file. So we can expand it so that you can see our browser. So how do you run the Live Server? Right click on your mouse and click Open with Live Server, and you can see that we can see our heading, our title, and also our paragraph, how to set up Live Server and make your browser auto refresh in the Visual Studio Code. So we can type another paragraph using the p tags, so and see the effect of the Live Server and also autosave. You can say I have just installed Live Server, and you can see in our server our paragraph has been written. So that's how to set up your Live Server and how to autosave your file. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.